Tellitall, how to play. The object of the game is to collect 3 cards and to share stories that start conversations and enrich friendships. Shuffle the deck and place it face down on the table. The player who had the most recent birthday goes first, then play proceeds clockwise. On your turn, you are the prompter and you draw the top card of the deck and read it aloud. Everyone else then gets 1 minute to consider the prompt. After a minute, the player to the left of you shares a 1-minute story that fits the spirit of the prompt. Then the next player clockwise does the same until everyone has shared. You may pick up to 3 finalists, if you want, to elaborate on their story for another 2 minutes. You then pick your favorite story based on whatever criteria you decide and award the card to that player. The next player clockwise then becomes the new prompter. If you can't think of a story to share, you may pass. If you pass, you must discard 1 card you've collected to the bottom of the deck. If you don't have any cards, you may pass for free. The first player to collect 3 cards wins.